Why use 5 different apps when one artificial intelligence tool can do it all? In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are so good, they can actually replace some of the apps you use every single day. Stick with me till the end, because the last one could replace not one, but 3 apps at once. If you love discovering smart tools, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Learn Hub so you don't miss the next big wave of artificial intelligence. Let's start with writing. Most people know Grammarly for grammar checks, but it can feel limited or repetitive. Check out Quillbot and WordTune AI. These tools don't just fix mistakes. They rebuild your sentences to sound more natural, professional, or creative depending on what you want. Quillbot even has a citation generator for students, so goodbye extra apps. If you've used Grammarly before, you'll instantly notice how these AI writing assistants give you more control. Next is design. Canva is great, but let's be real, everyone's graphics start looking the same. Kiddle AI and Designs.ai are changing that. You describe the kind of graphic, logo, or poster you want, and the AI creates unique templates instantly. No more scrolling through hundreds of Canva templates hoping nobody else uses the same one. So if you're into branding, social media, or YouTube thumbnails, this could actually replace Canva for you. Now for meetings. Everyone's used Zoom or Google Meet. But here's the problem. You still need separate apps for transcription, note-taking, and summaries. That's where Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai come in. These AI tools sit inside your meeting and handle everything. Live transcriptions, action points, summaries, and even follow-up emails. So technically, they don't just replace one app, they remove the need for 3 separate tools at once. What about productivity and notes? Next is Notion. Notion has been the go-to for years, but its AI features are limited unless you pay extra. Check out MEM.ai. Think of it as your second brain. It automatically organizes your notes, meetings, and reminders without you dragging blocks around. It learns from your workflow and makes suggestions, kind of like Notion, Todoist, and Evernote combined into one. If you're someone who loves productivity hacks, this could save you hours. And finally, video editing. Traditional editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut are powerful, but also overwhelming and expensive. AI-powered editors like Runway ML and Pika Labs are taking over. You can remove backgrounds, swap objects, auto-edit clips, and even generate new scenes from text prompts. For short-form creators especially, this makes video editing almost instant. I've mentioned Runway ML in a previous video, but now it's evolved so much that some creators are ditching big editing apps completely. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can replace the apps you've been using daily. Grammarly, Canva, Zoom helpers, Notion, and even traditional video editors are all getting serious competition from artificial intelligence. Question for you, which app would you uninstall first if these AI tools work perfectly for you? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading every response. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI hacks right here on Smart Learn Hub. See you in the next one.